Hey guys, so today we're going to continue looking at the different kinds of joins, and today we're going to be looking at right join and two queries. So here we go.
So today we're going to be looking at right join, and so right join is like similar to left join, but instead in right join is basically table 2 or the right table where all of the values are displayed, and then the matching ones from table 1 are displayed. So in the left join it's basically like table 1 all the values come, and then the matching ones from table 2. Here it's the opposite, where table 2 everything is displayed, and then the matching ones from table 1 are displayed. If there's no matching, then from table 1, then it's basically null. So here today we're going to be looking at these two examples. So first we have retrieve. So here, this one. So here we have retrieve all majors along with the students in them, even if there are no students in the major. So here we have select name, major name from students, right join majors on students.major ID and majors.major ID. So here I'm basically joining them on this column, which is common both between both of the tables. And in this case, it's so even if there are no students in a major, that means that students is the left table or table 1, and majors is table 2 or the right table. So because if there are no students in a major, that means that we need to display the major even if there's no student in it. That means that the student section becomes null. So that's why we know. And so as you can see here, even though this one is first the name, and then here as you can see it comes null in major name, and then it becomes null. So all the majors are printed, even the one with no students. And so basically it doesn't, as I've said earlier, it doesn't matter what order you put these in, as long as it's clear which ones you're joining. So here majors is the right table and students is the left table. Next we're going to display all students and their corresponding courses, even if no course is assigned. So all students and their corresponding courses. So over here we have all students and their corresponding courses, and even if no course is assigned. So that means, as you can see, students in this case is the right table or table 2, and courses is the left table or table 1. Because as you can see, everything from students is displayed, but if it's and only the matching values from courses is displayed. So as you can see here, there's no matching value for student 1, so it's basically null. But everyone else, Alice or student 3 and student 4 and stuff like that, so all of them have their corresponding courses. And it's basically, so that's why it's name or student, which is the student is the right table, and course name or courses is the left table. And as we know by now, I'm pretty sure that student the student table and the courses table, they don't have a common column to join them on. So if we open courses and columns, you can see we have only 3 columns: course ID, course name, and credits. And here we go to students and go to columns. We have student ID, name, age, gender, major ID, and total credits. So there's nothing in common between these two, which is why, as usual, we're going to be using enrollments. Because in enrollments, we have got student ID and course ID. So we're going to be joining courses to enrollments and students to enrollments, and thus joining those two. So here we have select name and course name, basically these two columns that I want to display. From courses, right join enrollments. So courses is over here, and then right join enrollments. And then on, so basically the common columns, so course ID and course ID. And then right join, so then we have enrollments, and then right join students. And now we're joining students to enrollments through students and student ID and student ID. So we're joining them based on that. And that's how we're able to connect these two. So we've done this also previously when we were doing left join, and then it's the same thing here. So you can't join like two tables if they don't have something in common. And if they don't have something in common, then you use like another table which does have something in common with them.